Hey guys, quick video here. So the other day I opened up my door without unlocking my car, so I thought, okay, the car's just gonna honk at me, but it did not. Like the alarm would go off like any other normal car would. So I went through the owner's manual to find out that the GR86, the car alarm, has come deactivated by from the factory. I don't know why that is, but anyway, today I'm just gonna show you how to activate the thing real quick. So to do this, you want to turn the car on, but don't start the engine. Let this settle down, let this go through the beeping noise and all that stuff. And then what you want to do is come over to your driver's side door, lock, and then you got to do this real quick, kind of not quick, but rather quickly. Lock and then unlock, but hold on the unlock button and then open up the door and keep holding it down for about 10 seconds. The car is going to beep once, and that means it's activated. So I'm going to do this right now. Lock, unlock, open up the door, and I keep holding it down. So it beep once, I let it go, shut the door, turn it off, and then I'm gonna lock the car. Now I'm gonna give it like 10-15 seconds or however it takes for that thing to flash, meaning the car is gonna be armed. So I might have to fast forward this portion. Okay, now it's flashing, so the car is locked. I'm gonna put the key up here, and if I go try to unlock the car, it should yell at me. It happened. So this is how you do it, guys. Hopefully this is helpful. We'll see you next time.